All right, today I am making a mobile hot tub out of my truck bed. We got some tarp, some tie downs, and some waterproof flex tape, and we're gonna make it work. I don't know how waterproof this tarp is gonna be. It's light duty. It should work, right?
Hopefully.
Yeah, it looks good. We gotta measure it out first. I think we have to tape two of them together. That's why I bought waterproof tape. I didn't realize there's gonna be a bunch of holes in it too.
Well.
Okay, no. This will work. Oh yeah. Okay. I think if I lay this out and I tape the two of them together, I think it's gonna work.
I think that'll work.
The dogs are gonna help. 7 foot by 4 foot bed or 5 foot bed? No, 4 foot. 7 by 4, I think. It's also 40 degrees. It feels like 35. So it's a perfect temperature to be wet outside right now.
It's a little windy outside. Can't really tell, but.
Also, we haven't figured out a way how we're gonna heat this. It's more or less gonna be a pool right now until we figure out how we're gonna warm the water. So we'll see.
We'll figure it out.
Oh my god, this is like
heavy duty?
Heavy. This is heavy duty. How are you supposed to use this? Oh, there we go.
Oh my gosh, okay. We're gonna start.
Oh. This is just ridiculous. Ugh. I think we have one opportunity to get this right.
Yeah, we don't have very much tape. I don't know if you can see how thin that roll is.
It's very thin, but this is very, like if we tape it, that's the way it is forever, I think.
Yeah.
Dude, I hope there's enough tape.
Yeah.
This was $15 for this, by the way. No!
No!
No way!
Are you kidding?
Oh. This was $15 for this.
My
what?
God.
No way. We're gonna have to figure something else out.
I know. No shot.
Okay. So for $15 you get like 4 feet?
What?
4 feet of this?
That's insane. Just that one little bit left.
We're gonna see how this fits, I guess. We're gonna have to add some more tape. It's not gonna be with the waterproof tape, but
yeah,
something.
We're gonna have to add something.
I give this like a 50% chance of holding water.
Yeah.
I think that's being generous. Yeah, this might work. Hold on.
Okay, maybe we can.
Hold on. I never went to Boy Scouts. I have no idea how to tie knots.
You don't know how to do the monkey loop.
Monkey
knot?
fist, fucking.
Yeah, monkey fist.
Loopy loop. No, I don't. I think my dad would be mad at me for not knowing them. Okay, kind of. Not really.
Maybe.
But once you start putting water into it,
Yeah.
that's what we need to do. When you start putting water into it, not that, and then.
We do have to figure a plan out for that.
Oh, we're gonna use a hose right now. We're gonna get like a base layer of cold water and we'll add hot water to it somehow.
We'll figure out the hot water.
So it stops doing this.
Yeah.
So it stops floating everywhere. Why is it barely coming out?
What the heck?
Oh!
Oh! Is there ice in it?
Oh, there's probably ice in it. It is cold. I'm sure the ice will work its way out.
Yeah.
I think that tape's holding out though. I just wish they gave us more than 4 feet of it.
I know. There we go.
Doing that, now we gotta get some warm water to counteract the cold water.
Yum.
We'll have to clean it up before we use it. One bucket at a time. That's how we're going. It's gonna be somewhat, I mean, this is like somewhat clean. We're not drinking it.
True.
Oh, it's like actually.
Whoa!
This side's gone in.
That's the only one though.
I just put another tie down there. I don't know how I'm counteracting. I don't know how much I'm counteracting the cold water with this bucket of warm water, but.
Oh, I'd say not very much.
We'll just get a base of the cold water.
Yeah, and then start putting the warm water
And we'll
in.
put the warm water in. What do you mean? Oh no, we're getting leakage.
No, where?
In that corner, there's leakage. Where's it leaking from, you bitch? All right, we got to figure out how to seal this real quick, and then just keep adding hot water. I think from now on, it's gonna be a fucking hot tub, right?
Yeah.
Kind of. It's kind of working well.
It is.
It's kind of working well.
Pleasantly surprised.
That is frigid.
It's so cold.
Frigid.
Probably feel good on a hot day, but
Yeah, this would be sick in the summer, but we're trying to make it hot with no way to heat the water. Fantastic. This is a great idea, I think. So after many buckets of warm water, it's filled.
it's filled, boys.
It's holding the water, kinda. Hold up. It's kinda holding the water.
A little bit.
A little bit, kinda holding it. And it's like, maybe a little bit less than lukewarm.
But I'm gonna get in.
She's getting in.
We're testing it out. Okay, no, it's fine.
You're reacting that way because it's so warm and nice,
It's
right?
so warm
And nice.
No, it's like a luxury experience, really. Okay, you get used to it. See, now the trick is you take your legs out and let them get some cold air, so then the water feels warm when you put them back in.
But it's already warm because it's a hot tub.
No,
Right.
warmer.
Warmer, right. Well, this is like super hot.
Okay.
I can see your goosebumps. Because it's so warm.
No, it's so warm.
Because it's so warm and nice.
Oh, okay. No, it's fine. No, the legs are fine. The legs are fine. The legs are fine. I'm not cold at all. In fact, I want
Yeah,
to get
slow
more
it
in.
down. Yeah, just like go in.
No, I just want to be like really in. Here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, there we go.
All right. Now it's a mobile hot tub, so we got to drive it.
Time to start our business, and I gotta get customers.
It is 40 degrees outside. I want everyone to know. It is 40 degrees.
We're gonna attract all the customers. This is not gonna go well at all. I feel like I gotta sit down for this. You did! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh fuck! Oh my god! I'm gonna fall out. Stop! Oh my god!
How was the drive? It looked fun. Oh my god, the lawn flooded.
Oh my god!
That was successful, I think.
It's actually warm now.
I'm marking that down as a
I
win.
peed myself.
I'm marking it down as a win.
Yeah, I think that was a win.
We already started a business. Mobile hot tub.
Mobile hot tubs.
Imagine going down the street with that, like crazy. This might get me wet.
It might.
Hold on. Yeah, of course, these old Fords, the handles don't work. Hold on, I'll film it. Don't fall out, that'd be really funny.
I won't.
Let her go.
Oh my god. Okay.
Oh my.
Oh my god.
Wow.
We created
Yeah, I got wet. See, look how much fun she has in mobile hot tub.
It is so
Highly
fun.
recommended. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far in the video, subscribe.
Bye.
チャンネル登録よろしくね。